Pro Farm tractors, the first class. And then I believe we're going to go into our super stock tractor class. And then we're going to the mini rods. And we have some of the biggest names in the sport here tonight, guys. Jeff Hurt, your Pro Pulling League champion, won the class last night. He laid one out for 287 feet. So that eliminator weighs about 30,000 pounds empty. There's 2,000 pound bricks inside of it. As that weight box goes up, we're happy to have you with us here. So here we go. DJ Stevens, Goldsboro, North Carolina. Make some noise, Lumberton. Screw that up. Here we go. Let it rip. Take your chip.
.285.04, 285.04, 25.5 on the speed.
And I am picking Sturdivant third.
Okay. I'm sticking with Revelation because that tractor I saw that pull in Wisconsin to win. So I'm taking Beth McDonald to win. She's the last puller in the class. I'm taking Wyatt Pickler for second, and I'm taking just Clayton, North Carolina's own high-tech harvester. You're going to hear the Beasley name often tonight, especially when we get to the light pro stock class. Bert, we have 3 light pro stocks of the 6 tractors that we had last night. Again, head to WWP TV on Facebook and YouTube if you want to watch at home. Here we go, Hunter Beasley, high-tech harvester.
.302.60, 302.60.
See what happened? This man he's a tobacco farmer, okay, in eastern North Carolina, right outside of Wilson, North Carolina. And I think he smoked 3 packs of cigarettes in 10 minutes before he made that first hook. That dude was nervous as a kid. I don't know. Zachy Bissett on the Deer Candy. Coming up next, this guy has won every hook but 3 in the state of North Carolina this year. He's a tough cookie to beat. Oh, I don't think they paid to hear us. Oh, I think they paid to watch my contract. Oh, is that in your contract?
At $1 million, I think moving down tire, that's a 20.8-inch tire, which means that's the width. The other guys have a 24.5. Here's Justin Sturdivant, White Cross, North Carolina, the Cornfield Express. What year? You think you shipped it up for higher? I don't know. We know the same year.
I think he was fighting harder out of the hole than when Zachy was.
Make some noise if you like the green ones. I like it. Where are all my red fans at? Make some noise if you like the red trackers. Hey, oh yakety yak. Don't talk back. Yakety yak. There's one in every crowd.
Yeah, at least one.
Yep.
You got
don't
one
fall down. Don't hit your head. It won't matter. It's all good.
All righty, Wyatt Pickler on the game changer. Here you go.
Pickler, good run, 324 and 10, 28.0 on the speed.
I do, thank you.
Okay.
I told you, you put the rest of that nub in your mouth and just be quiet for the next 3.5 hours. Hey, he's pointing them off the track. We got green lights. We have green flags. 324 is the distance to beat. Let's watch that ground speed, fan, the first 150 feet. If they're going by us and they're moving.
Run 305, 73, 25.8 on the speed.
John Link, who lives in Texas, but he would leave it in Wisconsin because there was a lot more poles for it to compete in Wisconsin. Plus, that's where it was worked on by Mark Colbert. And then McDonald's bought this tractor, brought down here to North Carolina, or out here, I should say, out east. And they made some changes.
317, 90, 27.5 on the speed.
If you saw DJ Stevens, our first hook of the night, went 285, turned it down. Coming back here. Wyatt Pickler's in the lead at 324. So a green one's gonna win. But which one's gonna be?
Picking up a mile an hour, 300.91, 300 feet and 91.
That was perfect, cuz.
He did.
What did you do different tonight than what you did last night?
He won. He won.
Well, that's one important thing.
Captain Obvious.
You know.
Well, the traffic pole.
So, honestly, what was the difference between last night and tonight? When you were getting out there on the track, did Dad tell you something in your ear, or did you just like, let me feel this baby out a little bit?
Had my foot on the clutch a little bit, and when I fell off of it, I didn't have my clutch all the way out, so when I did, I kind of hesitated to get it off. When I did, I just
She launched.
She looked. In fact, he was like, "Wait a second."
Let it go, Wyatt. It's time to let it go. No, it's the hardest thing in the world. It's the hardest thing in the world to drive a tractor. Because I have a 4.1. You drive it, there's some tracks that thing won't hook up to 100, 150 feet. And to go out there and feather that when you know you got all of this and waiting on it. Some of my best hooks ever have been when I've been patient like you. So way to go. That's a good driver, son. Good driver.
And I wonder if we found Zachy Visits Kryptonite.
Yeah, where is
And it's
that?
green too. Yeah, where's Zachy at? Where's that him too?
Is he back? Is he crying?
He's right there.
Where are you
Zachy.
at?
You know, we talk joke about it, but they all mess with each other out in the pits.
You have to.
Yeah, well,
You
yeah.
don't do this for money. You do this so you can beat up on other people.
So, one quick. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, give Wyatt Pickler a big round of applause.
Where's Wyatt's Happy Gilmore check?
Happy, yeah, we got to get that. We got to get her to write that.
Wyatt, how long have you been driving, buddy?
This year?
Wyatt, grab that microphone again. Wyatt, grab that microphone.
Don't let this go.
Yeah, how long you been driving, Wyatt? For a year. How many times you been down the track then? That's 5 or 6 times is all. Good job. Good job. What are you learning every time you go down the track? Yep, I like it. I like it. Everybody thinks you just jump on those things and bend the throttle. It's tire pressure. It's gear selection. Where are we going to put it on the track? What's our hook
Letting up
position?
yet?
We have enough weight on the front. There's a lot of things going on in your brain. It isn't as easy as everybody thinks. Shout out to you. Good job driving, buddy. Good job driving. Wyatt Pickle, everybody, make some noise. Lumberton. Cody, this is a great opportunity for, as announcers, we should talk to Cody.
Yeah.
Cody,
yeah.
welcome to Lumberton,
Hey,
North Carolina.
how are you doing tonight, Cody? You doing great, buddy? Yeah,
Really
yeah.
excited to see your mini rods out there.
Yeah.
So good.
Can I get a raise for tonight?
Nice.
He said y'all gave him $1 million.
I got $1 million cash.
Cash. There it is. How you doing tonight, Cody? I know we're throwing you 100 questions here, but you know we had a great show last night. We had a great track last night. What are you going to do tonight? You're behind a couple of points right now in that Region 4.
Yeah, we're behind a couple of points. Maybe the weather will hold off and give us opportunity.
We believe that God wants you to have a tractor pull. Cody.
Yeah. Hey, this right here, we can run all night with this right here. I ain't no problem with that, buddy.
Cody, thank you for all the food this weekend. I gained 17 pounds because of your cooking.
We appreciate each and every one of you fans. This shows true, committed fans and home fans. So we really appreciate you guys' support. We couldn't do it without the fans. Thank you for coming out.
Take the 50-50 pot.
Hey, Desert, 50-50, where are we at?
No, the half and half. We're going to give it to him to shut him up.
We'll just stick it over
If you
here.
$1,000, you shut up.
They were at, roughly a while ago, they were around $700.
Hey fans, you know what that noise is? That's the noise of about 5,000 horsepower coming to the line here in Lumberton, North Carolina. I like 5,000 horsepower.
We're gonna throw some wheel speed out, but there ain't gonna be no diesel on this one, boys and girls. This is all alcohol and not the drinking kind. Marty Harrell, all of you country. One of the things they've been working on is getting the fuel system set up. So with that new bag on there, it means that it has to increase the fuel pressure from about 110, 120 pounds.
32.9 on the speed.
To keep from
345.72. There you see it.
Or the full pull app. Make some picks, win some cash. Play the games in Sandwich, Illinois at the Grand National NTPA if you can. Speaking of kind of a big deal on the sport of truck and tractor pull, this next guy coming up, Robbie Crutchfield, he helps build the Pure Country, works on the
In fact, the engine, this man is crazy on a super stock. He only knows one way, and that is all the way. If the throttle stop is here, he needs to go another 6 inches.
So the lead is 345, right? Is that what we saw on the board? I didn't write it down.
I didn't either. I got talking. 345.72.
Last night, Jeff Hurt was third. Lindsay was fourth. I just got the official results. Jeff Hurt won at 387 with Little Bear. Parrish McLean was second at 340. No, that was Cody. Jeff Hurt was third with B Bear. Lindsay was fourth. Cody Singletary was fifth.
All right, you hear him bringing his RPM up. He's got to get those turbos spooling. Got to get the fuel in.
Good run, hard run, 341.43. Putting him 4 foot behind Marty Harrell and Pure Country.
Your country's going to get the win here tonight in our super stock class. It's about to get really, really tough.
So under this hat, there's in somewhere here on that frame. That frame is not in the right direction. Well over 100 mile an hour on those speeds. Yeah, it's gonna go one.
Got it. There's no dummy. He liked what he saw last night. He's down here not for the He's down here to try stuff.
Yeah.
Turn the whip just a little
Higher, yeah, why not? Yeah.
Lindsey Campbell's back there, right? There's some other.
Marty, how are you doing today, buddy? So, the boss walked by, he goes, it's still running. It is. I tell you, y'all have fought fuel issues with that thing all year long. We had some rod bearing issues in the middle of the season, but it seems like y'all starting to get that tractor tuned in with that new emission system.
Yeah, y'all don't have no idea just how hard me and Robbie Crutchfield just run this tractor.
I can tell how hard Robbie came out of the hole and the whole tractor jumped out of
We
the hole.
decided this afternoon that we were going to twist wrenches, and Robbie twisted a few, but we went back and twisted a little more. And he told me this afternoon, he said, I'm coming after you tonight. I said, well, buddy, we're going to finish one or two. I don't know which way it'll be. But he run that heck out down the right there. His exhaust manifold was red when he got it out.
Are you kidding?
Yes.
I want to see the eat. Don't tell Andy.
He's detonating in the pipe is where that popping was
Yeah.
coming from, the raw alcohol. So, everything that looks like his crank can run, mine crank back up. I still had oil pressure, so I think we're good. I want to thank everybody that pulled together, put this pool on and get it going tonight. All the spectators, fans, all you guys for coming out, y'all make it possible. We would be out here doing this for nothing if it won't be y'all coming out. We thank all of y'all for coming out here tonight, being a part of this.
Marty, I'm going to present you with your second one that you can hang in the hauler.
I like it. They even spelled your name right, Marty.
And go anywhere on it. Now, there is starting on the right-hand side. Now, one of the challenges on the right-hand side is a little softer, but the other is waiting for that flag. Now, away we go. Ladies, let me hear you.
Waiting for that flag. Now away we go. Ladies, let me hear you.
.328, 63, 228, 63, 29.3 on the speed.
Awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Let's go. Fire them up. guys were joking. That's a little sinister laugh, Bert.
It is.
Even your face has got a little like Halloweeny mask looking. Here we go. Happy Sunday.
Change the sled. Me and him were like, no. That was one of those godly runs. You got into it, and that baby was
Well, you know
gone.
who won tonight? Cody Singletary won on Saturday. There's only one down the track, but you won, buddy.
Yeah.
This should go to Cody. Yeah. Hurt. I think you should give that to Cody. You already got enough trophies. Cody has not enough trophies.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there'll still be some left.
Oh, that's yours. Why did you hand it to me?
Because he's the official.
Oh.
Hey, I gotta thank everybody that came out. I gotta thank Cody and Parrish for all the hospitality, everybody that helped put this on. It was awesome. They rolled out the red carpet for this group, and we love it.
Woo! Love it.
What? You found it. Good. I'm glad you found it. You're gonna need that later for her. Yeah, oh yeah. Half hour delayed. The last two was at 3:30.
We're going to give all these people work excuses.
Yeah. All right, got a green light. Wait for that green flag. Glenn Walker on Getting Busy.
Getting busy.
Getting busy.
$283.13, 25.5.
I'm glad you're watching smart enough to tell you that. Yeah.
The rest of you aren't.
No.
There's still kids here even. Look at them going. Oh, wow, they're going to sleep until Tuesday.
I believe I said 283. It might be 293.
All right, Mike.
New points box on this truck, and he made it work. 299.28, 26.7 on the speed for Mike Ward and Running Wild.
This is going to be Butch Martin on the tier. Boingy, boingy, boingy. I found this on the table. Is this yours? Okay. I found it on the table today. Right.
And we should add that element of dodge the scraper.
Walker on killing time at 278.38. There we go. Thank you, ma'am. Allison, you do a great job keeping me straight. Rodney Jackson going to be the first one coming up on Melon Mania. Y'all notice how that John Deere sounds like it's missing just.
Get right in there. Yeah, bird. I love it.
I've never given you my oatmeal pie though. All right, Rodney Jackson on the Melon Mania as I spit food out.
Wheels up in the air, good run. Getting on that left center groove and then working it back to the middle. Shutting it down, 307.13. $27.5 on the speed.
I'm stuffing my face with pizza, and I'm a fat guy. Yep. A medium. I'm still waiting on my shirt. Is it going to be hot pink? Hot pink? Okay. All right. You sending it into my house? Or are you going to meet me at the state fair? Coming up here. Russell Mullins now. He's number 2 in Region 6. He has the opportunity, if the cards play out right, of coming up to the top. We'll see how it works out. Russell Mullins on nothing special.
Wheels up in the air, good speed, 28.2. Higher speed, less distance, 304.41. I think Bert said 3-1. 304.41 on the scoreboard.
BTV, because we couldn't make it down. Will, the stars are coming together, buddy. The stars are coming together.
Finally, yes.
This time, because you're both nights last year. This is true. What a small world social media has made this.
This tractor has pulled all over the place. Pulled in Louisville last year. You pull in Louisville, you're up there.
Yeah, you're not messing around.
No, not at all.
You get invited to Louisville. Here we go. What's the distance to beat?
307.
That's a good hook. long hook, got the wheels up in the air a little bit, throttled it out, and let her eat. Worked it across the track a little bit. Shutting it down 325, 82, 28, 29.1 on the speed. Almost 1 full mile an hour faster. Good run.
Somebody always calls the fire department. 911, what's your emergency? I just woke up, there's a really, really loud noise. Oh yeah,
And
they're
there's
still
smoke coming out of the
They're
building.
pulling two-wheel drive trucks at the fairgrounds.
All right, ladies, you got to pull for Caitlin McDonald on the red mule.
Solid run, 308.51, shutting it down 27.6 on the speed for Caitlin McDonald and the Red Mule, right down the road out of Red Spring.
If he wins Region 4 and Region 6, he chooses which one, and then whoever's the second place person in that region goes up. Okay, I got you. That could be interesting. Green flag, here we go. This is going to round us up for Region 4. This is going to be the official call for it. Chris Hale's on the outlaw.
Shutting it down 307.89, 28.0 on the speed. The little bounce at the end there. Good solid run.
Like that, especially like when you're putting them in the box, and there's those little itty bitty squares, so they got to fit perfectly to go in there.
So this is what pullers do.
My boss said, "Hey, if you want to just sleep."
Pullers over here at the end of the
If it's
track.
Too late, don't knock.
They're all hanging out over here.
Can you hear us in the camper right now?
We can make it loud enough. It's
There
not
used
too
to be
loud enough
fans
to
all
hear it,
over
I
the other side of the track, but
Because
they
the
are
camper
gone.
is literally right behind these bleachers.
One or two people over there.
Carolina Chargers. He doesn't keep turning left, okay? He wants to go straight. Hello, 1:30 in the morning.
I want to do something.
I needed some stickers or something.
I gotta keep them all the man.
Alrighty. Jimmy Johnson, he's from Oakville, North Carolina, right outside of Charlotte. Got a green light. Green flag, here we go.
Where's
Where's the blower belt?
Yeah.
Where's the blower belt? Gotta be. He was cruising. Bert.
Yep. Where's the
Bert's
pizza?
gonna go get that blower belt.
I really want it. I really want it. I know Jimmy don't want to give it to me.
35 and 16.
Kevlar wrap
Stretched a
rubber.
little bit.
Well, you know what probably hurt this belt quite a bit?
What's that?
Right out of the hole where he was coming.
Whoa. Jeff Hurt's gonna back him in. Now this is last night's winner. They had it pushed in the trailer.
He's like, why not? We're here. Let's run it. Why did he do that? To clean the mud off the tires. Yep.
100%. Litchfield, Kentucky, last night's winner. Looking for a good pass.
Jimmy Johnson.
Twenty-nine 29.7 on the speed. Good run for Chase. 344.25. 344.25 for Chase and the Full Pull app truck.
Justin Lee left it out on the track, and Brandon thought he had a good solid run last night. Got ready to shut it off, and it spit 2 rods out the side of it.
Two left to go, fans. Thank you for being awesome. 344 is the distance to beat. 344 is the distance to beat.
The birthday boy is now a day older than his birthday. Reed Leon on the red.
You got more?
Fuck, we had 10 of them sausage. Italian sausage, or pork sausage.
I got you. Thank you.
It wasn't running on all of them at the end.
Not at all.
Not all 8.
One truck left to go. One truck left to go.
One to go.
One to go.
He's happy.
Everybody give Reed Lee a big round of applause. Jeff Hurt.
303.76. 27.7.
He's no longer a promoter. Yeah. He's selling Farmer's Almanacs.
Are we done? Now the good news, fans, for those of you that are still here, you're not going to have to fight traffic. All the way up. I'm trying to find all the positive things in this. Here's the thing. Look, they're hanging out with us all night long. Right? We're hanging out with them all night long. That's right. You're my people, people. My people are my people. They probably ride the short school bus. And hook. Right here. There could be 2 potential hooks if he shuts it down before 100 foot. Can we do like one more hook? Like they do when a band goes off the stage? Yeah. Let's get somebody get a mini rod out quick. The fog is setting in. Sunday morning, Lumberton, North Carolina. 31.8 on the speed. That is it. The last hook of the night or of the day. Have a great Sunday. Thank you to all you that played the games on the Full Pull app. We appreciate you. Thank you, Cody Singletary. Where are you, buddy? Cody. Rick, we did it.
Good night, y'all.
We're winners. We're winners, Rick. That's right, buddy. That's buddy. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, we're cutting the feed, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.
Get it down! I thought that's on the hill on that track.